Alright, hello internet. So, what are we doing today? Well, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Avinash, and this is my first attempt at vlogging. Well, we do have a trip coming up from Bangalore to Kerala, which is will be our first tour ever. Me and my wife will be taking that tour, bike tour. We have done car tours before, but this is the first bike tour. And before that, we want to get some updates done on the bike, right? So now, let me introduce you to the bike. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Scrambler 400. I have been in love with this bike since the day I test rode it, and of course, I wanted to try it out, which I tried. We tried the Himalayan, the Hunter, and everything, but I don't know, something about this bike just we couldn't resist. Now, the only drawback about this bike is, well, this. If you can see, this is right now in high beam, and even on high beam, the headlights are kind of non-existent. Since we'll be traveling from Bangalore to Munnar to Kochi, and we'll be leaving early morning, or we might end up driving late night, and it will be too foggy, it might be cloudy, it might be dark. We want to get some fog lamps. Now, I do have these fog lamps from Mad Dog Alpha. The Mad Dog Scodex Alpha, pretty good, but really can't use in the city, right? Out of respect for fellow riders, other people on the road, they're just too bright to use in the city. So what we want to do today is get those smaller fog lamps, or foglets as we call it, attached, which I can use in normal roads inside the city if possible, especially after dark. And we'll see if we can get few other modifications done. That being said, let's go, because it's only 1 o'clock and I have a lot of work to do on this bike. I bought these gloves first when we bought the bike. This is for the first gear I purchased, the riding gloves. There's some Rhinox, pretty cool. I might get another pair though today, because this is not made for cold weather, and I think today morning when we went for a ride, I realized that I feel a little chilly, so might get another pair, right? The place where we are going is, I'm going to try a few shops today, but I'm going to go to the place where I usually go, where we have got most of the modifications done. Right, so yeah, I love the engine sound. I think I've got the BMC air filters fitted, and that has really changed the performance of the bike, including how it sounds, the exhaust sounds. We'll try to see if Fuel X Pro makes sense. Right. Well, what you just saw back there was me realizing that my phone got screwed up. Yeah, I don't know how, I don't know why. I hadn't taken out the back cover in a while, and today when I took it off, the back glass has cracked. I have no idea how. Yeah, it fell down a couple of days ago, but nothing has happened. I have no idea how my back glass has cracked. Not cracked, cracked. I said cracked. Stupid me. I don't know. I have been too lost today. I went like to 2 3. I kept forgetting things. I kept going traveling between the ground floor and 11th floor. Like 5 times I have traveled, and the last time I realized I've forgotten the ND filters, but I really didn't have it in me to go back up again. Always lift, but I have done that 4 5 times in the past 30 minutes. First I forgot the keys, then I went to keep the keys, then I forgot something else, then I forgot my charger, then I forgot the bag, then I forgot the gloves, and finally I realized I've forgotten the ND filters. What a day. I don't know, the thing about ND filter is I usually carry everything I need, right? The camera, the batteries, the chargers, everything. But ND filter is something I keep forgetting. I don't know why. I keep forgetting my ND filters. I'm pretty new to vlogging, so I haven't been able to test out the ND filters properly also. Right, anyways, I have to see what I need to do about my phone, because I think for this month, for this tour, we have already spent a lot of money. So the camera gear. I know. A lot of people say you don't start with a simple mobile camera or just one camera and everything. But I don't know. With the high quality of videos out there, I don't just want to put out anything, right? I want to put out something quality, something which makes sense to viewers also, even if one person watches. So yeah, spent quite a bit of money on camera gear, got an Insta360. We'll probably try to make a video of all that, right? We'll see how it goes. I got some new gear, which is very important for a tour like this. We'll be like obviously over 1,000 kilometers on bike with me and my wife. She also rides, by the way, so she'll be riding part way through. She has been this bike is a little too heavy for her, so she has been practicing inside the city, and I think she's getting a hang of it. But I think she'll be riding too. But yeah, we spend a lot on riding gear also, for me, for her. I'll try to make a video of that too. The kind of riding gear we purchase, which I think is very important for not just for touring, but there's some basic gear which people should have regardless, right? Yeah. Wow, Mercedes. One day. Anyways, there's some basic gear people should have. For example, I never go out without my gloves, my helmet, and my riding shoes. Never. Right? There's a habit I've inculcated myself, especially after met with a pretty bad accident. Thankfully, even that day I was wearing my helmet, and not riding shoes, but pretty decent shoes, so things were okay, right? But yeah, I realized that gear is very important. Yeah, riding jacket is something I understand, right? I mean, as much as I want to wear it every day, and even though in a country like India, especially in hot weather, this is difficult, right? And I don't know, but yeah, so that's okay. But still, I do try to wear some kind of protection even in the upper body and lower body. But helmet, gloves, and riding shoes are mandatory for me every time I take out my bike. In fact, my helmets are important even if I'm going, like a 5 minutes distance. My helmet is important for me. I never get on the bike without a helmet. Yeah, and I think everyone should follow that, because come on, we have to live. Because we might get situations like these in. And even for my wife, like even if I have a pillion, I never have a pillion without a helmet, right? I think that's just good practice. Anyways, so we did a ride yesterday to test out all the riding gear. Have few videos made out of it. I mean, this is my first vlog, right? So I was learning few things. Spoke for 1 hour before realizing the mic is not connected. I don't know. We tried some, the mic. There's a new DJI Mic Mini, and I wanted to do instead of the transmitter, connecting the transmitter directly, I wanted to connect it via a USB-C and everything. The transmitter is inside my jacket. It's not visible, etc., etc. Right? And I don't have to take the action cam off its protective cover. Yeah, I don't know if it works only with its own USB-C wire, but it just didn't record. With the USB-C wire, I tried, and for 1 hour I didn't know that, didn't pay attention, my bad. So yeah, I have a lot of video with wind noise, bike noise, and traffic noise, which I will put out, of course. I've shot it. I have to edit it. I'll put it, of course. Hycross is really good bike. I mean, car, sorry, bike. Something is wrong with me today. I am just all over the place. Damn it. Yeah, so I have been pretty carried away with the vlogging thing, right? I have been trying to shoot a vlog for the past, I don't know, bike vlog for past 2 weeks now. Either I forget something or something doesn't work. Maybe something I'm not getting right. We tried to shoot a travel vlog with my car because we just did a trip to Goa, last month, from Bangalore to Mangalore, Bangalore to Goa. It was a pretty good trip, pretty good, amazing videos, and there's some good footages I have. The problem though is that I shot a lot. I mean, I got overexcited and I shot a lot, like over 100 GB of file. 40 GB of file is just me driving on the highway, right? But I thought that is how vloggers shoot, and then I realized, oh wow, damn it. That's Mahindra V6, and that looks like a spaceship. Anyways, yeah, so I shot a lot, over 100 GB of videos, and then I realized that I don't think that is how vloggers shoot. And kind of paid more attention to the vlogs, spoke to a few people, got a lot of help from AI, by the way. A lot of the settings and everything came from AI, and I talked to AI a lot regarding my vlogging. Anyways, so yeah, that is a massive data sitting in my hard disk, which I have to get down to editing, for which I have to learn how to edit. I don't know that. I usually used to edit for my reels with the mobile apps, Instagram, etc. But I think for some serious editing for vlogs, I have to learn a good editing software, which I am doing. But yeah, I have to get down to edit that video. Anyways, man, this traffic. I just came this way like an hour ago and it was not this bad. I don't know why, but now it is pretty bad. Okay. Traffic is open. Let's go. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do any rash driving just because of the signal. I don't mind waiting at the signal again. Just have to be safe. I think everyone should be safe, guys. I mean, I understand, people are in a hurry in a country like ours. There's so much of population. Sir, I have to go straight and then take a left, not this left. Ooh. Okay. Anyways, yes. What was I saying? I forgot. Man, I am so highly ADHD. This is a problem with me. I don't know how my wife is taking it out with me. I keep jumping topics, I keep forgetting. There are times when she is talking to me and I don't know, I am in some wonderland defeating dragons. That is how my mind wanders, man, guys. I mean, I'm a highly ADHD. Anyways, about to reach this place. I'll also talk about these new helmets I bought. Maybe I'll show it today, but in a separate video I'll try to talk about these helmets. This helmet that I bought recently. I had the SMK Gullwing, but the problem was that it was a flip helmet. The mic was not getting placed. And then my ears were paining in that. It was not very comfortable for me. It was heavy. My wife, on the other hand, likes that heavy feeling, and she wanted a flip helmet, so she's sticking with a Gullwing. I went ahead and got myself an LS2, considerably lighter, much better padding, and space to put in the mic, and my ears are thanking me. And okay, we have already reached, but once we start from here, we are going to talk about one other important piece of equipment that I bought. But first, yeah. Okay, so I've reached this place. This place is called Soul Riders, the Triumph, right? It's called Soul Riders. Pretty decent collection. I have bought my riding jackets from here also, and my first set of helmets. Okay, I'll go and talk. All right, this is take 2 because the first time it switched to camera mode and it clicked a picture instead of video. Anyways, so it didn't go out as planned because of these, the Scout X Alpha. Now the thing is that because this is there, I don't have to put the space to space to put a smaller fog lamps anywhere here. One place normally people put it is on these uh, crash guards, but I can't do that because it will be blocking the view, right? So there's no point putting something here. So the one which I had in mind, HJC one, we can't put there, but I think my guy has informed me that there's a separate one that comes. He didn't have the stock today, a separate one which is much smaller, which can typically go onto this, just with the fog lamp on the same clamp. So don't need a separate clamp. I can just put it here, and it will be very inconspicuous. It will be very inconspicuous, not very noticeable. Light will be good, and it will solve my problem. He asked me for time for a day or two. I can still go and get it somewhere else, but come on, I mean, I have been coming to this place for quite some time, and they have helped me out quite a couple of times, right, with different things. So I do not think I would still like to give them a try before going to a new place. There are a lot of things. He fixed this mount for me. Yeah, though I would want to give them a shot before going someplace new. That being said, I will try to go and see if I can get some scratch removal done on my bike, since I have time and it's Sunday. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Okay, so man, okay, so I wanted to also get some work done on the bike, cause looks wise, see if I can get probably a PPF, a coating, or at least some kind of scratch removal, right? I want to give it a whole matte look. Normally I don't have time on my hands, and today incidentally I have time on my hands. My wife is busy, so yeah, I thought, why not? Let me go wander around Bangalore like a homeless guy biker. Just kidding. Anyways, one crazy thing about my Action 4 is, if I'm trying for some time now, it starts recording when I ask it to, but it doesn't stop. Right, I'm not going to say the full thing because it'll get confused, but it starts the recording when I ask it to, but when I ask it to stop, it doesn't. It's not following that piece of voice command for some reason, right? I hate the traffic, man. As if anyone loves it. Yeah. Anyways, see, okay, so reaching a particularly infamous spot for traffic. See, the place is only 3 minutes away, but, and those who are from Bangalore will understand where am I and where am I going, but those who are not from Bangalore, this is the place I want to go is 3 minutes away. But if you see the map, I don't know if you're able to see the map. I'm trying to point my helmet camera towards my phone, but if you see the map, see the amount of red that is there. See this place, every single day, like any time of the day I come here, every morning, evening, or afternoon. I haven't tried late night, but more, this is the same. I don't know how. So some days back I had this idea of giving it's a black bike, so try to give it a matte black look. And I've tried to, one option is complete painting and everything, which I'm going to try to do, but I want to try wrapping also, at least on the tank part, and see how it looks. I'm going to go to a place and see if they can do it today. But if they ask me to drop my bike and come back, I'm not going to do that, because I really don't have the luxury to drop my. Connected again? Yeah. So I have to be very careful with the mic, because once the camera gets switched off and if I switch it on and start talking again, and this is, I realized the hard way that it doesn't start recording immediately. It records like the audio starts few minutes after recording. I mean, after switching on the camera. What's wrong with me today? Man, I'm so all over the place. Anyways, here I was thinking, oh crap. You know what, guys, what I did? कौन था भाई? ओ भाई! Wait, look. At least stop, right? At least stop and say. At least stop and say sorry. At least stop and say sorry. Stop there. At least stop and say sorry. You did right. Man, this guy had the guts to bang my bike from behind and not even stop and say sorry. I don't even know what kind of damage he has done. I can't even stop because of the traffic. I mean, there's a limit to entitlement, and he tried to run away. My problem is that he tried to run away. I have to see what is just before the trip, man. This is so upsetting. That is the car, 2967 Triber. Anyways, yeah, can't let every moron spoil my day, right? Bike is fine, I am fine. Look at this gentleman. One hand driving, one hand phone. Helmet is unlocked. I mean, I think I have been quiet for some time because I just got lost in the rage, right? Let me see. I have to restart. It's only 1 minute. Okay. I think there's one more thing I need to do today, and I had again completely forgotten about it. Why I came out of the house the other agenda, and it was to get new mirrors, because these mirrors are okay inside the city. I mean, they have a pretty big blind spot. The default, the stock mirrors that come with the Scrambler, they have a pretty big blind spot, and once on higher speeds, it all becomes blurry. So I don't want to go through this again, all the traffic. I'm going to take a shortcut. Yeah, what is this? Wedding biryani. Okay, this is a pretty famous stall, is it? There is a queue right there. I know few spots in Bangalore for biryani which has got a queue, but this place, is it famous? Guys, anyone know in Bangalore who knows about this place? Do I go up or down? up, I guess. Man, why? Okay, isn't it common sense that you give a little bit of distance between vehicles, right? The auto driver behind me is almost kissing my bike, right? Leave some distance, man. Come on, have some concept of space, privacy at least. I mean, can't come and sit in my lap. Oh, I love those crash guards. Damn, nice crash guards. So yes, so I think I need mirrors. So I think I the mirrors, right? Yes, I tried to get the ones from Triumph itself, but they cost a lot, like 7,000. The ones that come on Trident, I don't have 7,000. I don't want to spend 7,000 per mirror, especially something with a high chance of breaking off in an accident. I'll not say accident, but if my bike falls down. So someone on Reddit suggested that I can go and get the KTM ones, right? And that is what I'm going to do. I think the KTM ones are pretty economical, so I'm going to try to get the KTM ones. And yes, this road again. Figures. I am having a day, right? This road. What? What? No traffic on this road? Wasn't I here like 10 minutes ago? Not even 10 minutes, 5 minutes ago? Okay, yeah. Okay. I had immediately lost faith in humanity. Like, no traffic on this road? My faith in humanity is restored. Not stored, restored. My faith in humanity is restored. I'm not usually like this, guys. I am pretty articulate with my words. I have to be regarding my work, but I have no idea. Yeah. He just stopped. He stopped. He was riding and he stopped. If I start fighting with every person who touches my bike, I guess I will not leave this road today. Sometimes you have to let go, I guess. Where is this place? Defend cars. Come on, sir. Here. A second person. Something is wrong with the world. I'm telling you guys. At least he had a decency to say sorry.